the East Africa's biggest music festival. Guess what? Nyege Nyege Festival is back. The Music and Arts Festival made in Uganda is now a mainstay on the festival scene in Africa. People travel from around the world for the 3 days of music and parties outdoor. People coming from Kigali, Nairobi, Goma and Juba. The festival is a regional music extravaganza. Everyone wearing a big smile at the source of the Nile, dancing till morning to all music that is happening. Over 100 acts will land in Uganda, from Senegal to South Africa, from Morocco to Niger. This is truly a Pan-African affair. The best of African music will be on display, including Ibaku, the Senegalese from the outer space, Jinku, Mukweli and the funk Nairobi electronic wave, DJ Sanji presenting the electro from Mali called Bahani, and Gato Prito playing Angolan electro called Kuduro. Joey Lesoldat, the hip-hop phenomena, will perform his new album for the first time live. And of course, yours truly, Ladies Like, always ready for another verbal strike. The festival will also be the scene of a giant action film shot by Ramon Production, where everyone gets killed. It all happens on the 2nd, 3rd and 4th of September, a day to remember and a time to enjoy all together. 50 days till the beginning of the action. But for now, get all the info on www.nyegenyege.com. That was the news of the beat. Next week will be another hit, still Ladies Like and Survivor, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.